Anong sundot? Mapua completes the steal. Chris Hubilla got the hop. Hubilla misses another layup though. Concepcion gets it back. Escamis off the spin. Runs into a wall. They kick it out. Anuba for three. Anuba knocks it down. Quiet so far in the game. Turnover count natin. 5 na para dito sa Vinyl Blazers. And we're only almost halfway through the first. Ito ba, pang-anim. 2-on-2 break. JC Recto, kakapasok lang. Instant production for JC Recto.
Instant offense agad.
Tignan natin itong play na to. Two-man game on the move. JC Recto, kakapasok lang. Diba, announcing his entry in the game. That amazing play from JC Recto is definitely our McDonald's play of the game. Brought to you by the new and better McCafe Iced Coffee. Grabe yung kumpiyansa dito ni Jomel Ancheta. 4-point advantage for the Cardinals. Escamis stops, takes, and hits. 8 points in the first for Escamis.
Winave off niya yung yung screen eh. Hindi, akin na to. Gagawin ko ng paraan to. Ayun naman.
Escamis
Ito na.
is ahead of the back, and he is gone. 10 first quarter points for the reigning rookie MVP.
And ito na yung pinakamalaking kalabangan natin. 8 points para dito sa Mapua.
Allen Liwag. Kailangan na magtrabaho ni Liwag, pero mintis yung tira niya. And Mapua runs with it again.
They're really securing the rebound. Hindi nila
Escamis.
binibigyan.
When he's hot, he's hot. Escamis is in the zone.
With Abonete, Concepcion, Hubilla, pagbalik ni Recto.
Ian Torres misses. Here's the save by Abonete. And Mangubat ends up with it. Escamis now has the basketball. Escamis pull-up jumper. Got it again! For 14 points for Clint Escamis.
Grabe. Wala ka nang masasabi dito kay Clint Escamis. Hindi maganda gising nito. Ito, sobrang ganda lang. At ito.
Perfect anticipation. Escamis all the way! And the foul! Clint Escamis is putting on a show. And he gives Mapua their largest lead here in the first. Look at this. Simple. Getting to his spot. Unbothered is the reigning rookie MVP. He is out for blood, Big Bo.
15-17 footer para dito kay Escamis. Matik eh. Yung mga ganyan.
How about Clint Escamis today?
Credits pa rin daw sa kanilang super rookies such as Chris Hubilla na may bansag na bato from his supporters because he has become the rock of the Mapua Cardinals. Steady, solid at masakit kapag tinamaan. Si Clint Escamis at bato, Hubilla nga ba ang magiging super?
Akala ko it's between Eusebio and ito yung pasahan kanina ni Escamis tsaka ni Concepcion. Nakita ni Concepcion tsaka ni Hubilla.
Advantage when it comes to physicality here. Ganda nung pasahan. Pero nang agaw ng Mapua. Chris Hubilla recovers, picks it up. Ilalabas kay Abonete. Escamis for 3. Escamis knocks it down! And the foul! A chance for 4 for Clint Escamis. What a show! 21 points, 3-pointer, and the foul with a lot of contact. No problem for Mr. Rookie MVP. And that amazing play from Clint Escamis is definitely our McDonald's play of the game, brought to you by the new and better McCafe Iced Coffee Boulder Brew and Creamier Blend McDonald's. That Ancheta drive, pero tignan mo yung buwelo dito ni JC Recto up against Sanchez. Galing sa kanan, kinaliwa pa.
Nakita niya si Allen Liwag doon eh, pero inilipat niya. Kita mo naman yung crowd natin, pati siya.
Kala ko si JC Recto yun eh. Look at this turnaround jumper by Recto. It's a 10-point lead. Chipping away. Clint Escamis slowing down significantly. the latter half of the second quarter.
Ganda
JC
na ng
Recto.
depensa ni Tony Init. Ito
Oh,
naman.
Recto with another nice move.
Oh.
And let's see if they can execute here. So far, it's Benid who has gotten the upper hand, at least in the beginning. Pero ito na ang Mapua.
Wow.
Double clutch to the hoop for Clint Escamis.
Coming up for turnover. Dire-diretso itong si Mangubat. Ayan na naman.
Agaw na naman
Oy!
ang Mapua. Counter takeaway by Benil. Jomel Ancheta. At yung mga napaka-underrated, yung mga deflection nitong Mapua. Kasi nag-disrupt yung,
yung offense
sistema
ito,
ng
ano
offense.
Kanina, pasa kay Liwag. Na-deflect. Eto, Inot. Wala.
Tony Inot misfires. And loose ball ends up outside. Let's check out this play. Look at this. Igliane tapping it from behind. Lawrence Mangubat going to Clint Escamis. Sinausaw pa sa ere ni Clint. And that champ moment of the game is brought to you by Milo. Get winning energy every day with Milo. Pangalawa ng Benil.
Oo, yun din ang kailangan nilang ma-maximize.
Yeah.
Para magkaroon ng mas maluwag na operating si Aling Liwag. Kailangan nila makashoot sa labas. Turnover din sa kabila.
Stop and pop! Checo Bangkale drains the triple.
Kaya pagdating dito sa finals, mas lalong lumalim yung bench nito Mapua. Eto, pinag-uusapan lang natin. Oo.
Naririnig talaga tayo ng mga player eh. Cuenco, inside pass. Habonete scores! +1 for John Habonete. And everything is working for the Mapua Cardinals.
Lahat ng ginagawa ng Mapua nagiging maganda ang resulta para sa kanila. Diba? Challenge niya pa doon si Aling Liwag tsaka itong si Sanchez.
Yeah.
Wala nang hesitation.
JC Recto now has 9 to work with. Recto lost control, and here comes Jomel Ancheta. Blazers trying to get back on the comeback in. That is Escamis takes it away. Coast to coast action for Clint Escamis.
Ganda nung anticipation niya doon sa cross pass ito ni Ancheta. Na-steal ni Escamis. Ang bilis eh.
30 points for Clint Escamis. And yung gift na ito ni Clint.
Uy!
Sanko draining the triple. Big time hit mula sa captain ng Benilde.
At this point, you need to get a stop and then make a basket.
Habonete left with space. Habonete drops it in. Mapua catching fire from the outside.
Kung meron kayong ball screen, meron kaming 3 points para dito sa inyo. O yan na naman ang steal.
Anticipation telegraphed by Cuenco. And he gets the layup plus the foul. First basket of the game for Cyrus Cuenco. How about, ito muna yung galaw ni Aden Liwag right at the rim. JC Recto making his move, and John Habonete, of all guys, making a big three. But Cyrus Cuenco, it's either Escamis or Cuenco.
Sila dalawa lang eh.
Yeah. Anticipating the passes. And they now establish a 13-point lead. Under 4 minutes left. Ancheta. Ooh! Agaw ni Bangkale.
Wala eh.
Cross court. Cuenco atake. Cyrus sends it back out. Habonete. Abuelo. Habonete all the way. 74. 61. Mapua.
Ano natin ng elimination. Talagang maganda na rin. Kaya lang.
This rookie is unfazed. Lawrence Mangubat nailing his third three of the game.
Start, and that is why Cyrus Cuenco has been called from the bench very early in this contest. Christopher Hobilia, the Rookie of the Year. gets Mapua on the board. This squad will go as far as Jong Melanceta and Ian Torres. Parehas na mga focal points sa kanilang offensa, point of attack, and both offensively and defensively. Talking about focal points, Clint Escamis answers on the other end. Now taking his turn at guarding Clint Escamis is Josh Kahukom. Escamis, wild shot. Escamis grabs his own miss. Recto faking a three, drives. Bangkale, fade away from the elbow. And that's a rebound by Liwag. An interception by Bangkale. Bangkale all the way. Errant pass by Mark Sanko. Playing for the final shot, possibly here in the first period. Escamis. Tony Inot, nakaharang sa kanya. Escamis changes his mind. Mangubat for three! And the Cardinals take the lead! At the buzzer, Lawrence Mangubat. Clint Escamis, defended by Inot, gives it up to the rookie point guard. And Lawrence Mangubat in his first final series gives Mapua the lead at the end of one. Escamis and Recto leading the way for the Cardinals with 6 points apiece. And Benil started his game, Coach Hammer, with a 7-0 start. And here comes Escamis.
And again, passing lanes being played well by Clint Escamis. The pressure getting into Benil.
5 out of 21. Today, they have made 3 3-pointers already though. Hubilia cuts to the basket.
Ganda ng pasa ni Lawrence Mangubat off that thumbs down play. Iverson screen.
Reminding his players of what happened last year against San Beda. They don't want a repeat of that. Concepcion, what a stop. Rising up to deny Roger Ondoa.
Grabe, nakaupo na, naka-rebound pa.
Escamis gives it to Iliane. Torres is denying Mangubat. Escamis with a burst of speed. Clint Escamis count the basket plus the foul.
Tuloy-tuloy dito ang pagdating ng mga atake ng Mapua. And Benil looking like they're shell-shocked right now.
And this amazing play from Clint Escamis is definitely our McDonald's play of the game, brought to you by the new and better McCafe Iced Coffee, Boulder Brew, Creamier Blend, McDonald's. Love ko to.
Work rate niya.
Tony Inot, 17 minutes played, 10 points. How about this guy? Chico Bangkale falling down and drains the long ball.
Iwag sa ilalim. Pero how about this tough shot by Chico Bangkale off the inbound? Walang atubili, pangalawang.
That he has been waiting for. But of course, Coach was also adamant about the things that they can improve on. Una na dyan, the team was told to weather the storm effectively and refrain from doing plays that are not part of their plan. Second, they were told that the second half is about improved composure and more possession and classy. The team was instructed to forget about the surname.
Banking home a shot from the heavens, and this was after Escamis tried to fish for a foul. Andre Igliane, second triple of the game. 8 for Mapua lead is down to 2. It was as high as 10.
Good backdoor by Cuenco, putting the head on a spin cycle. Talking about the defender Justin Sanchez. Basic pass and cut. Hindi nakatingin yung banday. Good delivery.
Sanchez, spin move. Sanchez, short.
shot.
Concepcion with the rebound.
That was a 4th shot by Justin Sanchez.
Cuenco. Escamis is on the bench. Cuenco's opportunity to shine. Cuenco steps back. Cyrus Cuenco drills the step back.
Those feet, baka early signs of cramp sa kabila rin. Tony Inot, ganun din yung ginagawa. Talagang bakbakan tayo dito.
Recto. Mangubat for 3. Lawrence Mangubat with a big-time basket. And keep him on the bench for as long as they can for one final push. Mangubat for 3. Lawrence Mangubat!
Oh my goodness! And Mapua, knowing how important a third quarter run is after their experience last year and against Letran in game number 3. Remember, ganoon na nangyari doon. Third quarter run. 63-54. Mangubat, Igliane, Cuenco, line drive! Cyrus Cuenco! Biggest lead of the game now! Laging may fresh legs na attacker. Tapos yung depensa nila, porsyentuhan lang. Nakaharap sila, babanggayin ka ng babanggayin. Pag nagreklamo ka, yari ka. Hubilya to Mangubat. Another one! Lawrence Mangubat! Gets it to Hubilya, who gets it to Igliane. Clint Escamis ready to return to the game. He is at the scorer's table. Hubilya. 6 on the shot clock. Hubilya pulls up! Oh my Lord! Mapua patiently waiting for the best shot when it's available. Cuenco! In the face of Matthew Ollie. The ball is with their main man, the team captain, Clint Escamis. Mangubat, 3 to shoot. Mangubat! Hubilya! What an unreal moment. Lawrence Mangubat puts up a wild 3, but Chris Hubilya was there, and this instant replay is brought to you by EO Executive Optical. Love your eyes. And there were lazy eyes looking at Chris Hubilya. No check on the box out, and you know that Chris Hubilya, allowing the defense of Spinil to sleep dahil sizable lead to. This is 13 points. You don't need to rush. You just need to put pressure. Daganan mo lang ng daganan. Escamis for 3! Clint Escamis! It's time! It's his time! Goosebumps! He is hoping, praying that they can finally bring the championship home. The face that runs the place. Last season's rookie MVP. Cyrus Cuenco to Igliane, and Andre Igliane scores! Pinupulikan na rin dito si Andre Igliane. Nararamdaman mo yung pagod at yung